The 5 best AI tools for startups. Building a startup often feels like trying to run a marathon while assembling the shoes mid-race. You're making decisions fast, switching hats every hour, and constantly trying to do more with less. That's where AI becomes a real competitive edge. Today we're counting down the 5 best AI tools for startups, from number 5 down to number 1, so you can pick the one that fits your stage, your vision, and your biggest bottleneck. 5. Stability. Starting at number 5 is Stability, a goal tracking platform powered by AI. Instead of juggling spreadsheets or long planning documents, you set your objectives and the tool helps you track progress, adjust priorities, and keep your team aligned. The biggest advantage is focus. Startups get lost easily, and Stability keeps everyone aware of what matters most. The downside is that it won't replace strong leadership or clear communication. It guides you, but you still have to define your goals thoughtfully. Ideal user early stage teams that want structure without becoming slow or bureaucratic. 4. Browse AI. At number 4 is Browse AI, a tool that lets startups automate data collection and competitor research without building custom scrapers. You can track prices, product changes, reviews, or updates across websites and get the results delivered automatically. The advantage is speed. Instead of checking things manually or hiring someone to do it, you set it once and it runs in the background. The trade-off is that you need to decide what data matters most, because capturing everything just leads to noise. Ideal user. Founders who need real-time insights but don't have the resources for complex data engineering. 3. Notion AI. Coming in at number 3 is Notion AI. Startups love Notion, and the AI layer turns it into a real powerhouse. You can generate documents, rewrite copy, summarize meetings, build project plans, and turn messy notes into clear SOPs. Its advantage is that it replaces multiple tools with a single workspace your whole team can actually use. The downside, if your company grows quickly, you may need more specialized systems later. But during early and mid-stage growth, Notion AI keeps everything organized and easy to access. Ideal user lean teams that need speed, clarity, and documentation without extra overhead. 2. HubSpot AI. At number 2 is HubSpot AI, a tool that supports startups with marketing, sales, and customer communication. It helps generate emails, improve messaging, analyze leads, predict conversions, and keep customer relationships on track. The advantage is that it gives you a full customer growth engine without needing a large team. The downside is that HubSpot can feel big if you're still super early or don't yet have a defined sales process. But if your startup depends on getting leads and closing deals, HubSpot's AI features can give you structure and insight from day one. Ideal user. B2B or service-based startups that need reliable pipelines and organized communication. 1. A general-purpose AI assistant like ChatGPT. Taking the number 1 spot is a general-purpose AI assistant. While the other tools solve specific problems, an AI assistant adapts to nearly everything your startup needs. Writing copy, brainstorming ideas, analyzing data, drafting investor updates, creating job descriptions, summarizing meetings, exploring product features, or preparing marketing campaigns. Its biggest advantage is versatility. You can use it in every department without learning a new platform each time. The only challenge is learning how to guide it well and reviewing its output with a critical eye. But once you get the rhythm, it becomes the closest thing to having an additional team member who works instantly across writing, planning, research, and creative tasks. Ideal user absolutely any startup, because no matter your size or industry, you can use an AI assistant as a force multiplier in every part of the business. Conclusion. Those are the 5 best AI tools for startups. Stability helps you stay focused, Browse AI gives you real-time insights, Notion AI keeps your operations organized, HubSpot AI fuels your growth engine, and a general-purpose AI assistant becomes your most flexible problem solver. Think about what slows you down the most right now. Is it planning, data, documentation, sales, or simply the overwhelming amount of work on your plate? Once you identify that bottleneck, choosing the right tool becomes obvious. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.